Random facts that you may not know. 1. A cloud weighs around 1,000,000 tons. A cloud typically has a volume of around 1 cubic kilometer and a density of around 1.003 kilograms per m3. That's a density that's around 0.4% lower than the air surrounding it. 2. Giraffes are 30 times more likely to get hit by lightning than people. True, there are only 5 well-documented fatal lightning strikes on giraffes between 1996 and 2010. But due to the population of the species being just 140,000 during this time, it makes for about 0.003 lightning deaths per 1,000 giraffes each year. This is 30 times the equivalent fatality rate for humans. 3. Identical twins don't have the same fingerprints. You can't blame your crimes on your twin. After all, this is because environmental factors during development in the womb impact your fingerprint.